black and black. What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. We are in the morning of the BP and the Coomera. Oh no, Yatla. No, we're Coomera. We're heading to the track either way. Hopefully to fold our cars. Here's the squad. AU Falcon towing AU. AU Fairlane towing AU. Jay's Navarro towing nothing. Queenie's car towing nothing. More power. Nick's FG towing AU. And all my tyres. So I've got no more boot. And then red AU Falcon Commodore. And Camo's car. So it should be a good day. We're heading out. I'm tired. A few of us are pretty tired. Late nights, you know. All the things, you know. But yeah. Enjoy.
Hey you! More power, baby! More power, baby! Woo!
our midway break update of how Matsuri is going at Archerfield. I'm just going to get some light. So me and Jesse are actually at the other shed. Nothing wrong with my car apart from ripping the rear end off, which I'll show you shortly. Nick's car's fine. And Jesse, however, has folded the rear end in more. Didn't think it was possible. It's okay. But then proceeded, we did reverse track at the very last like half an hour of day one, and he was like wet right on the edge on the outer, right down the bottom. It's technically slightly slanted down. So I actually went in and I was just like, nah boy, handbrake. He went first, full sent your boy, straight into the wall front on, like back on, and smashed the front. So basically the firewall's bent, LCA is like basically snapped in half, steering rack is completely ripped off, rim is a square, and his red guard is severely dented. So we're at the other shed because we're swapping over some stuff from another to another car so we can do day 2. Luckily we just don't care, but we're here. We need to get it off the trailer. It doesn't really steer, so we're going to shove it in a little spot here because we need the trailer. So we'll continue with some more drifting right after this quick interview. Jesse, what happened? Tell everyone what you do.
I did a goofing. I fucked up.
We'll have to bleep. We'll have to bleep that out. He bleeped up.
Nah, I cooked it a bit when
I said
backwards track, tried to avoid some
because it was. Did you hit back first and then front?
Yeah, no. So I came in and as soon as I saw those cones in the centre, I tried to adjust my line and then realised I had no way of adjusting my line after adjusting.
Yeah, okay.
It, right where it got patchy, and I knew it was going to get patchy because we'd run it the other way a million times.
Okay, so so that's what I said. I said to everyone, I said you probably hit it with the rear and pulled the front in.
The reason it was so bad is because as soon as I knew I was going to hit, I was like, I want to hit in the centre of the back of the boot so it doesn't throw my front in, and then I didn't quite get the whole way to the back. So
there you go.
It hit the side very hard and then hit the front even harder.
The front,
along about 3 quarters.
It's absolutely destroyed. The wheel is like, that's not good.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna get it off, get some parts on.
Bent the bloody firewall.
He's bent the firewall, the throttle pedal. We'll do like I'll do an aftermath section at the end of this, so you can see because it's a bit dark now. So back to drifting. As you can see, we're having a ripper of a day. Taken the Fairlane out a couple times. It hates it, so we decided I'm not going to break it. The boys are out. I'm currently need a repair. My exhaust fell off and it's heating up the gearbox a lot, so yeah, we're gonna fix that, get out there for a few more laps, but and he's taken the tow car out. Oh, this is a party wagon. I think the tyres have got a bit of rubber on them. Someone call me out of my PPE. Anyway guys, that's a wrap for it. Tyres are dead on the car. I had a blast. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Thanks guys.